Al Ain City Municipality works to achieve a sustainable urban development through the completion of exceptional and innovative roads and infrastructure projects that meet the requirement of community. Al Ain City Road and Infrastructure Maintenance Practice created from internal resources to preserve the image of Al Ain City and maintain emergency road and infrastructure assets and ensure the integration of the team's work with the Al Ain municipality systems. After the success output, the team strengthened and enlarged to be 60 workers instead of 20, with different technical specialization, achieving a financial saving around 55% yearly. According to preserve the image of Al Ain City, we specified the scope of work of our teams to achieve highest performance in their tasks. Maintenance of damage to pedestrian sidewalk tiles, curbstones, and potholes. Installation of decorative multi-type of barrier, plastic barrier, and traffic signs. Removing irregular assets, the assets not meeting the legal infrastructure criteria. The practice supports the asset management, automation, and digital transformation, with it's worth mentioning that the infrastructure and municipal asset sector in Al Ain Municipality has obtained ISO 55001 certificate in asset management on 2022. Developing and strengthening the practice over the years according to the impressive result, supporting the deployment of the scope of works and annual financial between the projects under contractors and the practice. Innovation in the practice is concentrated in several aspects, applying the latest technological developments, providing free services to the citizens, huge financial saving, and the fast response compared to the workflow for the contractors. The observed change for the emergency process in accelerating the procedures for closing the distortion comparing to the contractor. Supporting the achievement of the highest levels of sustainability by reused material in solving infrastructure asset distortion, not only for supporting the financial saving, but also to reduce the level of carbon pollution. Reuse the material initiative provided additional support to the community, as used tiles in good condition and distributed to citizens for free, as the average of beneficiary is 255 citizens annually. The impressive and visible results of the Al Ain City Road and Infrastructure Maintenance Practice from 2017 to 2022, increasing the customer satisfaction from 2017 to 2022 from 49% to 100%. The annual financial saving percentage is around 55% and above, which is equivalent annually to more than 3.1 million US dollars and weekly more than 17.8 thousand US dollars. According to the result, Al Ain Municipality take the first place over the other municipalities in the formation closing rates within specific times on 2022. Outperforming the other municipalities, the practice supports additional initiatives, including community needs systems, residential gatherings for residents of region, districts meeting, and community needs through a system supported by 8 strategic partners. The actual use of the system was started by the coordinators to update the stages and percentages of completion of population needs projects, where approximately 826 needs has been updated. The practice has received distinguished recognitions and numerous awards. It has obtained the Best Practice Award NEBRAS 2019. Having a future improvements plans for the practice under preparation and planning as a result of the impressive outputs of the Al Ain City Road and Infrastructure Maintenance practice, depending on the quick technological development and the application of artificial intelligence. Having a strong business continuity management plans for crises and disasters that work to address any circumstances that cause services interruptions. In addition to agreements between the companies contracting the systems and the strategic partners, it is not expected to stop these services.